So it's turned into an all-out winter blizzard. I guess it was coming. What's up, everybody? It's been a while, but I'm back at one of my favorite stomping slash hiking grounds, and watch out because there's nonetheless kind of cold, kind of windy, late May. Sorry for the wind noise. I think the GoPro does a pretty good job of blocking the wind noise. Let's hike up St. Mary's Glacier, see how cold and miserable it gets, or if it starts raining before you get to the top. So I'll see you in a few feet up there. This is it. Halfway frozen, halfway not. It's kind of a in between seasons right now, I guess. It's not really a whole lot of fishing. At the same time, you can't really go out there and do a whole lot of freaking water sports. Hanging out up here trying to stay away from the massed groups of people. Looks to be a storm rolling in from the south. I hope it doesn't dump any snow or rain. I guess it's the snow up here now. Nice little hike nonetheless.